So welcome back. So in this video we'll be discussing about the routing information protocol, RIP. So what is RIP? It is a dynamic routing protocol which uses the hop count as a routing metric to find the best path between the source and the destination. It belongs to a distance vector routing protocol. So hop count is the number of routers occurring between the source and the destination. For example, if this is my source, this 1 dot network is my source and 3 dot network is my destination, how many hops? 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3 hop count is the hop count it is being used. Okay. Similarly, what are the features of the RIP protocols are? First one is it updates of the network are exchanged periodically. For every periodical time, the updates of the network will get update and they are exchanged between the routers. And full routing tables are sent in updates. It is not a single routing table. The complete routing table is being sent during the update. And routers always trust on routing information received from the neighbor routers. That is why it is also known as routing on rumors. Talking about the RIP, RIP we have some 3 versions of RIP is there. One is routing information protocol version 1. Then we have RIP version 2 and we have some RIP next generation. RIP next generation. Okay, we are using RIP version 2 in all the networks. We'll discuss more about the RIP regarding the theoretical later on. Now we'll be dealing with the practical session using Cisco Packet Tracer tool. So this is the topology what we are going to use. So this topology what I have done is I have taken some 3 networks, 192.168 1 dot network and 2 dot network and the 3 dot network. So I have given all the IP addresses for the routers as well as the PCs. I have given the IP addresses. So let me go and check the PC's IP address. What is the IP address I have given for this PC? Let me go and check once. Okay, I'll see what is the connections also. I'll go to command prompt. So ping. Before that I'll confirm what is the IP address I have given. So IP configuration. So the IP address is 192.168.1.1. IPv4 it has been given. Then the gateway is 192.168.1.100. Clear. Now I'll try to ping to the same network 192.168.1.2. Yes, I'm getting reply from the 1 dot network. So I'll try to ping the other network. Ping 192.168.2.1. I should not get reply because I have not done any routing. I'll try to ping 3 dot network 192.168.3.1. I should not get reply. Yes, I'm not getting reply. Destination is not reachable. Okay, which means that the routing has not been done. Now we'll do the routing using the routing information protocol. What I'm going to do, according to this routing information protocol, I need to give this router the information about my neighbor networks. For example, what are the networks which are directly connected to this router? That information should be given to this one. Okay, so 1 dot network is being connected and 10 dot network is being connected to this one. Correct. So we'll go to this router. We'll go with the CLI. Okay, in the CLI we need to first go into the privilege mode. So it is in privilege mode. We'll go with the global configuration mode to do any configurations. Now the commands, please make a note of the commands. It is very simple. Router, whatever protocol I'm going to use. Router RIP. Correct. Next, I need to give the neighbor networks which are directly connected to this. So network 192.168.1 dot network and then network 10.0.0.0. correct. So I have given, so I can define which version I will be using. So it is version 2. That's all. I have completed. Okay, I have completed the configuration. Next I'll go with the second router. What are the neighbors for this one? What are the routes which are directly connected? 11 dot network, 10 dot network and 2 dot network. So I'll go to this router, go to CLI, you can do this in the configuration mode also. but it is better always to practice in the CLI commands. Okay, enable, then conft. So here, what is that? Network, sorry, it is not network, it is router RIP. Great. Now what are the networks connected? Network 192.168.2 network, and then network 10.0.0.0. Great. Network 11.0.0.0. then I should tell them the version. We are going to use version 2. That's all, and completed. Similarly for this router, it is going to be 11 dot network and the 192.168.3 dot network. Correct. So I'll go to this one, CLI enable. Now it is in the global configuration mode. Global configuration mode. Now what is the code I should write? Router RIP, then network 192.168.3 dot network and network 11.0.0.0. that's all. We need to give the version also, same version let us use, version 2, and end. That's all. So if I am going to see show IP route, it must show me the route, all the RIPs it should be showing. See, 11 dot network is connected and 3 dot network is connected. So that's all. That's all. We have connected, we have given the routing for all. We can now try to send a packet and see whether the packets are, yes, first packet may get failed sometimes due to the ARP. Second packet must be successful. Yes, it is successful. So we'll go to this PC and try to do the same exercise what we have done already. So I'll just ping 192.168.2 dot network. I should get reply now because I've used the routing information protocol. Now I'll ping the 3 dot network 192.168.3.1. I should get reply. We'll see. First packet is lost, but I am getting reply from the second packet onwards. Correct. So this is called as the routing information protocol. If you have any doubts or any queries, anything, you can post it in the comment section.